Hi, Mit. So, I'd like to start with wishing you all the best for your journey ahead in life. And having said that, I will always cherish the times that all of us have spent together as a team. So, whether it's the MBRs with Connect, all the fighting that we had with them, or the drink sessions that we've had, lunches. So, I think it's been a great journey, and I know I speak on behalf of the entire team that all of us will miss your presence. I sincerely hope from the bottom of my heart that you do very, very well in whatever you choose to do in life, and life treats you kindly. So please take care and have a good journey ahead.
Hey, hi Amit. I just wanted to wish you all the best. And we got very less of an opportunity to work together. However, whatever time we've spent together, I know the manpower working that we did together, what excellent. We got all the support from your end, and I wish you all the best. Please stay in touch and take care.
Hi Amit, my best wishes first of all for your future endeavors. I will definitely miss working with you. You've been such a nice person, to work with. I've always looked forward to working with you. There's always that compatibility, when I work with you, and I will definitely miss that. I have reached out to you on several things, be it the projects that we work together, all or outside that also for your opinion and guidance, and you've always been there, to provide guidance or support in whatever way. One thing that I have learned from you is the eye for detail. Whenever you send any update to the senior management, the amount of information that you share very extensively is something I really liked it, and I would like to take it from. I would like to learn from you. And thank you once again, and my best wishes for you.
Hi Amit. Hope you're doing good. I never thought I will greet you in this way on your farewell, but this is the bitter fact of COVID. I still remember my first day in Magma, and I you're the first person I met and being introduced as your teammate. I was completely from the non-banking background, but I must say that on the very first day, I gathered a lot of information or knowledge from you on Magma, you know, call center, customer service, what is cross sell, how it operates. So I must say, you have a great quality of explaining things in a simpler way, even if it's a difficult topic. You have a great set of knowledge, Amit, on many things, industry practice, call center, customer service, engagement, customer engagement. I wish you all the best for your future projects, assignments. Hope you succeed in your life. You are a sweetheart. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for everything. You have helped me a lot. I know you will not even remember, but I know wherever I got stuck when it comes to general knowledge on call center, I always approached you because I know you're the right person to explain me, and your way of explaining things I always liked. So thank you so much. I will miss you for sure. I will miss you. Thank you.
Hi Amit, I was never knowing that there would be a moment when I will have to record this moment for you to bid farewell. I mean, it has been a very nice time which we have spent together for whatever little things we have done and whatever little we have interacted. Though we have not been working day to day life, but then whatever we have worked so far, it has been lovely experience, and it is very difficult to find a humble person or a very good human being like you are, keep the way you are. And what to say, as I keep on saying that you've been a very nice person, it always makes you welcome talking to you, calling you and all those things. But to say, yes, this moment has come, I will wish you all the best. Do well wherever you go, whatever you do. It would have been really nice if you would have worked for little longer. I would miss you. Thank you so much for all what you have done. Thank you so much.
Hey, hi Amit. I just want to take this opportunity to let you know how interesting it was working with such a wonderful person like you. It has been a great honor to work with such a balanced colleague like you I have ever met. I still remember your true leadership ability, handle the situation very calmly by giving a laconic response to the clamor of business team during our review call. I wish you all the best. I am seriously going to miss you. Best of luck in your future endeavor. Keep in touch and see you soon. Thank you.
Wish you all the very best, Amit. It's hardly been any time since I'm in here in Magma, and you're leaving. So you're leaving me one friend short, a friend that I really needed and looked up to. Our paths have somehow coincided in the last 3-4 years. So I've always landed up where you are or you were, and God willing, our paths will coincide again. Hope you do very well in your endeavors that you set out to do, and are able to meet all the challenges successfully and come up trumps. I wish you all the best, my friend. Do well in life. God bless.
Yeah, hi Amit. All the very best for the new assignment in life. I really enjoyed working with you, and it's not only me. I think the entire customer service, have enjoyed working with you. You were always there whenever we get stuck somewhere, and you always have an answer. Be it be out of the syllabus topics. It could be a contact center, it could be financial services, it could be banking, it could be any upcoming apps. You have a solution, or else you will get the solution for us. So I really admire that. And wherever you work, we will be good friends always. I'm gonna surely miss our lunchtime. The one thing which I always appreciate in you is, be it be the toughest time, be it be last moment changes if you have to make, you handle a situation with very cool calm. That's the best part. I always liked it in you. So all the very best. Stay connected, stay smiling as always, and rock on wherever you go. Take care.
Hey Amit, I don't know from where to start, but yes, it's an amazing 18 months that we have worked together. I think in office I am the one who has spent maximum time with you, and trust me, I have loved every bit of it. You always come across as a very cool, calm, composed individual with very humble and down-to-earth nature. And trust me, this is one of the reasons you have been loved and appreciated by everyone in the team, even from the people who didn't interact much with you in person. So just be like this, Amit, for the rest of your life. I'm definitely going to miss our endless and non-stop discussion which we used to have while driving back home. In that 90 minutes of journey, I think I was the one who used to speak for good 90% of our time. So that's how it had been. But thank you so much, Amit, for being a patient listener. Always helping me, guiding me, advising me wherever you felt like. I'm also going to miss our Friday lunches along with Karan. Where three of us trying to find a good culture in Equinox compound. So yes, Amit. I can talk for hours, for you, Amit. But all I wanted to say is that all the very best. Do well, and I'm pretty sure you'll do well because you are a gem of a human being, and just be like this. और आपके साथ अच्छा ही होगा. वो कहते हैं ना, जो इंसान अच्छा होता है उसके साथ अच्छा होता है. So thank you so much.